After so long, BLUM TGE is going to be happening in 6 days. Wow, this is amazing, and this is worth talking about. It's been a while I talked about BLUM, but we're going to be talking about BLUM in this video and the latest developments regarding BLUM airdrop. BLUM TGE is going to be happening in 6 days. I'm going to go straight to my phone screen now, and I'm going to show you a couple of things, a couple of developments that BLUM has gotten and how you should get yourself positioned, because I know many of you have abandoned your BLUM airdrop. It's time to dust up your phone now and open your BLUM airdrop. I'm going to show you some things that you need to do to get yourself positioned for this airdrop. Let me go to my phone screen, guys. Now you can see that currently this is how the BLUM interface now looks like. They've changed so many things about the BLUM airdrop, right? So you can see that currently I have about 361,000 BLUM points, right? And then my meme is 0, and that's because I've not been participating, right? You can see TGE drop game. You can see this TGE boldly written over here where we have the drop game, right? You can see that this is going to be happening very, very soon. So there are so many tasks that you need to do to get yourself positioned. You have to participate in all the tasks that you know you can get your hands on. Like this meme, for example, when you click on trade to earn and then you come onto this place, you can see that there are several tasks you can do. Launch token with meme pad, the full token name, so you can create. So you just get yourself positioned for this airdrop, because this airdrop is about to begin and you don't want to miss out on this BLUM airdrop. At least let's get ourselves positioned. Currently I have over 296 play passes, so I'm going to exhaust all the play passes I have. I'm going to play this drop game very, very much before the next 6 days, guys. So I'm going to get myself positioned for this. So far, our experience, we've not been having so many Telegram airdrops do well, but let's just hope that BLUM is about to change the narrative and do exceedingly well, guys. So that's basically the update that I brought, and I want you guys to take advantage of this right now and get yourself positioned for the airdrop before the next 6 days, because the TGE is fast approaching, guys. If you like this content that you just got, help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more updates like the one you just saw. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.